Hello everyone, welcome back to the NGM YouTube channel. My name is Alexa and today we are going to be talking about overcoming the stigmas surrounding male modeling. Like there aren't that many male models out there. The truth is that there are actually way more than you would think.